How to remove limits on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy of Instagram. Now, once there, simply scroll down and there you will get to see limit interactions option available, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on the limit interactions, you will get to see that my limit interaction is turned on. So now in order to turn it off, you'll have to tap on the turn off option available at the bottom in the box. Tap on the turn off and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.